Oh yebo. Hayi njalo. Ayijike. Uma isinje. Hayi msilise. Yebo. Hey bafethu. Angazi nikezephi. Ukuthi nikezephi? Ngeke ngitshela. Lithi gehla ake ngithinte ngale ndaba. Yebo, ngezwa umuntu omdala. Hayi. Isukile. Ayisifo. Le video enzuza ngiyipostile. Hayi ungayipost. Shiye, soqala ngayo unyaka. Ake ngithinte kancane ngesimo I spoke about Amakhosi earlier on. Yeah, man. But let's go further. Ake sithinte ngesimo sezidalwa zezulu. Ayangizwa. I've touched on idala so many times. I've done my live where people have called in. Abahlola ngedalwa. People have called in and ngikhuluma nabo abahamba nabantu abadala abasebenza ngezidalwa. Yebo. I've done so much, Buffett. But yeah, because I can, let's go one further. Let's talk about different kingdoms. So ngikhuluma Amakhosi earlier on. I spoke about Amakhosi, obviously in the physical realm, where we live here, we see them. And I spoke in terms of the spiritual side, where isimo sikamoya with Amakhosi akanjani. Right? I've touched before on umuntu onomoya versus umuntu onemimoya. Singular, plural, two totally different things. Even when these people communicate, one communicates to a singular spirit, one communicates with multiple. Two totally different things, ne? Hey, tada. Yeah, guess what? I want to touch again. Some people see what I'm going to talk about in a few seconds, ne? What I talk about in a few seconds, some people do see it. But many have no idea ukuthi kwenzakalani. Many think ukuthi bayagula. Many think ukuthi some sort of thing is happening, and others have an idea, but bayathuka. Ngizoyixoxa ngobani lento. Let's talk about the dolphin people. I've spoken about them before. Madlengetho. Madlengetho are actually the dolphins. Then we get the dolphin people. Some people are initiated by Lababantu. These are the people. It's maskhuluma nabo. Yabona mangikhuluma naye umuntu. I'll do a live one of the days, and I'll give you guys a practical example of what I'm talking about, where I'll speak to a person, and I want you to hear the seals and the dolphins talking. You'll hear it. It's even more amazing when it happens face to face. Let's talk about the lizard people. Yeah. Usually, if there's a certain type of knowledge that you're about to see or receive. That's the word I'm looking for. Sometimes, if you are really fully inclined, you will also see yourself as one of them. I've spoken about the mouse people before. I don't remember speaking about the kings. Igor, with wings and heads of animals, specifically eagle faces. Obanlap. So you are not crazy, mngani wami. You are not crazy. My sister, my brother, baba, mama, ntombazane, nawe ongizondayo. You are not crazy when you see these things. Ukuthi isikhathi sakho sokuthi understand asikakafiki. Yabo, niphile njalo niyazo.